Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing an unboxing, unbagging slash try on haul. Honestly, I was not expecting my last Lorna Luxe in the style video to do as well as it did do, because like I said in that video, no one cares about my clothing, no one cares about my fashion, no one cares about that side of my life, which it hurts, but it is what it is. But because a lot of people really got into that video, I decided to do another try on, unboxing, unbagging video featuring the latest pieces that I bought from that collection. In that video, I was talking about a couple of the pieces that I had wanted to buy. I didn't actually end up buying those pieces just because they were all sold out. Actually, this whole collection sold out, and I think I would have rebought this a lot sooner had the products not been sold out. But they recently came back into stock, so obviously I had to jump aboard and buy some stuff. But unfortunately, not everything that I wanted was back in stock. But you know what? It's okay. I made do. I still got the bits that I needed to buy. So yes, so this video is going to be a try on. I'm gonna try not to talk too much. So yeah, if you have not seen that Lorna Luxe video, please make sure you go and watch it after this one. I'm gonna have it on the screen so you can just clickety clack. And yeah, let's get into the try on. Guys, there is nothing greater than buying clothing. Don't at me. Okay, so where to start? Where to start? Interesting. Okay, let's start with the set that I got. So in my previous video, I mentioned the Lola set, and I got it in black and I got it in blush, and I loved it more than I realized I loved it. I've been wearing that set non-stop for the past like month and a half since I got that stuff. Oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed. So this time around I had to make sure that I got the white and the stone. What is very funny about this whole thing is that when the collection first launched, I was only looking at the blush and the stone. I didn't care about the black, I didn't care about the white. But having bought the black and the blush last time, I needed them in every single colour, because why not? They're so great, so versatile, and they go with everything, like t-shirts, they go with other jumpers, they go with vests. Such a versatile set, and I really love it. I love the booty shorts, I love the jumper, I loved it all. I love the whole thing. So I got it in white. This set is so cute. I had to get it. It's so cute. Okay, this is more of like a cream kind of color. We'll see how this looks on my skin. The camera is making it look really light, but it's more like creamy, I guess. Okay, so these are the shorts. The shorts are definitely my favourite part of the Lola set because they're so cute. They're literally so cute. That's so cute. Woo, so cute. And then obviously I had to get the jumper. This jumper looks a bit big, even though it's a size 8. And yes, I did learn from my mistake of the black pair, and I got everything in a size 8 this time. I think this is definitely a set where you should get your normal size. Lorna says that if you want a more baggy fit, go a size up. But honestly, unless if I'm actually a size 6, but I would just stick to your regular size because it's baggy enough as it is. Maybe I am a size 6 and a size 8 is baggy. Listen, whatever guys, don't mind me. So this is the jumper. I love the jumper. I love how cropped it is. I love how big and kind of slightly oversized it is. It's the perfect fit. When you first touch it, it's not super soft. You know, it's not like cashmere soft, it's not like gonna feel like a giant hug, but it's very nice and it's smooth. And I think especially once you've moisturized your arms, it will feel a lot smoother and a lot nicer on the skin. But that said, it does still feel really nice on the skin. I'm excited to try this on to see what the white looks like on me, but I'm digging that. I'm really looking forward to trying that on. So next, like I said, I got the Lola set in stone. This is very interesting because stone was the one that I originally wanted to get, and looking at it, it actually looks a lot like the blush. I might have to run upstairs and grab the blush because it looks a lot like the blush. It's kind of like a mushroom kind of brown. Do you know what? This actually camouflages to the backdrop quite well. But then again, so do the blush one. So yeah, so this is kind of like a mushroom brown color. I think this looks really good if you've got brown skin, if you've got a tan. It's really nice. It's not like a dark stone. Do you know what? I wouldn't even call this stone. I would actually call this mushroom because it's more like a mushroom kind of brown. But this is really cute. The shorts are to die for. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Why am I wearing it like a top? So those are the shorts. I'm gonna try all of this stuff on so you will see what I look like and everything. No worries, I got you. And then the jumper. Oh, this is nice. Now I can really see myself wearing this with like blue jeans, a skirt to go to work, underneath like a play suit, over a play suit with like denim shorts. Guys, these pieces really are so versatile. I just love the color. This is a bit of me, like I'm not even gonna lie. In that previous In the Style video, I was talking about the colors that I like to wear. I mean, look at that. Oh, guys. I'm so simple, I love it. It's the simple things in life, you know? Great. And like I said in that other video, the shorts, I can't remember, the shorts are £15 and the jumper is £28. Yeah. And then last but by no means least, I did something very different and I got the Lullaby Jumper. This is actually a hoodie. I've not worn a hoodie in God knows how long, but it looked really cute and I wanted something that would match one of the sets that I have. So I was choosing between the stone and the blush. My sister told me to get the stone, so I got the stone because I couldn't decide. But I think next time I will get the blush just to match, you know how it is. So this is the Lullaby hoodie. This was £35 if I remember correctly. And what Lorna said is that all of her pieces from the collection that are specific colors, they match perfectly to other sets in those same colors. So because this is a stone, this will match really well with the shorts. So say I want to wear a hoodie and not a jumper, then I can wear these two and these will still match. When I wear these and try them together, you'll see what I mean. Yes, this is the hoodie. It's really cute. It's been a long time since I wore a hoodie. I really love this. This is really nice. It does feel a bit rough. Not rough, but you know, it's not super soft. And it looks a bit oversized. I don't think it's cropped like the other tops are. This is part of a co-ord, so it does have like longer tracksuit bottom trousers, but I'm not really a big fan of tracksuit bottoms. And when I'm at home and lounging, you will only see me in sweats if it's like the middle of winter or if I'm really shivering. If I'm really cold, then you know, then you'll see me in sweats, but unless I'm really cold. So yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, let me stop blabbering and let me start trying on. Okay, wow. So do you know what? The thing, what is funny is that on camera this is coming out really weird and it's kind of like reflecting off my neck. But honestly, I do really like this. It's a bit white, a bit too blinding white, and who am I kidding? I'm obviously going to wear this every day at home, but I kind of feel like maybe less for going out. Like I can't really see myself wearing this jumper outside of the house just because it's so like bling bling winter white. It's a bit much for me. But the shorts, I really love the shorts, really love it. I kind of feel like everything that I have to say is going to be exactly the same as what was in my previous video. I think the fit is really nice. I love how it's kind of oversized but not too oversized. It fits really well. You feel very like cozy inside. Like I feel very cozy, and I think when it's like a warm balmy evening and you're out in the garden or you're going out for like an evening stroll and it's a bit chilly, this is like the perfect set because it is warm. Like it's very warm but it's not too hot, so you could definitely get away with wearing this like even in like the autumn just before like winter comes along. It's really nice. The color is really nice. I feel like if you have a tan or if you're dark like me, then this will just make your skin pop. I think especially if you've done your skincare routine and your skin is glowing. Like guys, look at this. It's like, ugh, what a vibe. The shorts, guys. The shorts are my favorite part of the Lola set. They're the perfect booty. They cover the whole bum. They're short. The way they fit at the waist, like, ooh, so good. That's why I say for the shorts, just get your true size, because I got a size 10 on the black shorts, and even though they do fit on the waist, they're not like tight on the waist. I don't feel supported on the waist. Like they fit and they hang, but they don't like feel like they're sucking me in. Not sucking me in, but they just don't feel the same as the size 8 shorts do. So definitely just like stick to your true size for the shorts. Okay, now on to the stone Lola set. Okay, so this is the stone. I actually had to go and get my blush set just because I really felt like they're the exact same color. It's funny because you can't really see on the screen, but in real life they are different. So the blush is pinker than the stone. Oh wow, so on camera you can actually see the difference. So while I'm literally camouflaged into my backdrop, the pink stands out the tiniest bit more. Honestly, I love wearing like browns like this, so I'm not mad at this. But I think if you're trying to decide between the stone or the blush, they're pretty much the same color. It's just that the blush has a bit of pink to it, but really there's not much difference between the two. I'm into it. It is a bit weird because they do look exactly the same almost, but when you look at them up close, they're not really that similar. I'm gonna be wearing this literally non-stop. I don't know why, but the stone set feels a lot bigger, a lot baggier. I don't know if it's because someone else has worn this and then they returned it, but this doesn't feel like a size 8 at all. Literally not at all. This feels like a size 10, to be honest. I don't know if that's just this, so maybe I would get the stone top in a size 6. It definitely feels a lot bigger. It doesn't feel as cropped as the others. This feels like a full-length jumper, but I can't be sure if that's because someone else has worn this or if it's because they've just made it slightly bigger. But you know what, I'm not mad, still gonna wear it, still cute. The shorts, I need to stop talking about the shorts because I'm just obsessed with them and the shorts are great. I think even if you only want to buy one thing from this collection, make it be the shorts. The shorts are so cute, they're so cozy, so comfortable, they're so cute. Okay, and then last but by no means least, I'm gonna just quickly throw on the hoodie and show you what the hoodie looks like. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is the Lullaby hoodie. I have to say it feels very weird being in a hoodie. Honestly, I've not worn a hoodie in the longest time, so it feels weird having like a flap on the back. Even my coat doesn't have a hood anymore. But anyway, yeah. I think taking away the fact that I feel a bit weird in a hoodie because it's the first time I've worn one in a really long time, I actually do really like the Lullaby hoodie. I love the rib detail on the front. I think that looks really nice. I do actually quite like the hood. I think it'll be nice to wear like when I've got my wig on and like my hair is out and then my hood is just on the top. This will be really great for like if you're on holiday, like a beach holiday, and you've just got out of the sea and you're a bit cold and you just want to like put on something that's going to make you feel like warm, cozy, just, you know, bring you back to land, then this is definitely a great thing that I can imagine throwing over a bikini, you know, again with like denim shorts, a denim skirt, just something cute, something summery. I can definitely see myself wearing this in the winter. I feel really hot in it right now, I think because it is quite warm outside, and also this is like really well knit, really well knitted, I don't know, so it feels really warm and I feel very like insulated. I do have to say though that even though this is stone, it doesn't match perfectly with the stone shorts. I was trying it on and I looked at myself and I was just like, they don't match at all. And I had to double check that I actually got this in stone because it actually looks more like a blush. So I grabbed my blush set just to see how they compared, and it honestly looks like it matches with the blush a lot better than it matches with the stone. So I took off my stone shorts and I don't know, it's like the top is just pink. The top is pink. I don't know if I'm going crazy. The top is definitely pink. I've got my shorts on. So these are my blush shorts that I have on. And I just feel like they match so much better. I don't know. Am I going crazy, guys? Tell me I'm not going crazy. So basically, if you are hoping to get tops and bottoms that will match exactly, they don't. I really could have sworn. Do you know what? Let me check the tag. Tag doesn't say that. Let me check the bag. Because maybe they just sent me something wrong by accident. I don't know. There's no receipt in here. Listen, guys, I don't know. I feel like I don't think that the jumper matches like the other sets, which is it's quite sad because I thought that they would actually match, unless this is actually blush and I ordered the wrong one by accident. Yes, so this is my Lorna Luxe in the Style Loungewear collab try on haul video. Finished! Let me know in the comments which set you prefer. If you've also watched my previous video, let me know out of all of the pieces which one is your favorite. If you have any questions about sizing, color, ordering, fit, any questions like that, make sure you leave those questions down below in the comments and I will try my best to answer them. In terms of sizing, I think things fit really well. They are designed to be a bit loose, a bit baggy, a bit oversized, so that is definitely something to keep in mind if you do want to buy this. This hoodie is £35 and I think this is actually the most expensive thing in the whole collection, so definitely a bit of a splurge. But you know, In The Style are always having like discounts on. I think you get 10% off when you first sign up to their newsletter, and you get like free delivery if you spend over £50, free next day delivery if you spend over like £70. So there are ways that you can like save bits here and there. You know, I think all in all, I'm quite satisfied with this order. I'm very surprised at this hoodie because I think now that I've been sat in it for like 10 minutes, it's really grown on me. I think I might wear this for the rest of the day actually. This is nice. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, I think that is all. That is all from me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.